Hey, this is Justin with GoVacuum.com, and do you remember when you were a child and you used to love vacuuming? It was fun. This will help to return you to those glory days, and if you didn't have that, it was just me, so be it. This is still a fun vacuum to use, I'm telling you. This is the Henry. It's happy. Henry comes to us from Great Britain, not just designed there, but actually made in Great Britain, unlike Dyson, which is a claimed British design that is made overseas in Malaysia. But this vacuum cleaner is really cool. It actually has a cord retractor on it. Really nice heavy duty cord. As you can see, it's not like a thin little cord. It's a really well built cord. And what you do is just twist it back in like this real quick, and the cord will rewind back in. He's also very, very quiet. Henry is one of the quietest vacuums on the market, where you can turn him on here, and he uses less energy than most every vacuum that's on the market. It has a secondary switch here that you can turn on, and that would kick it on to high. And as I said, the handle's built right into there. The hose plugs into his nose here. And he's just a real portable, lightweight little vacuum cleaner. 2 caster wheels in the front, and 2 big wheels in the back that are rubber coated and non-marring. Allows it to move around very, very easily. When you look at it, it's just a really simple design that, I don't know, it just seems really simple, but it's just well built. The sides here are real heavy rubber coated plastic, and when you lift up on them, it gets into the cavity of the vacuum cleaner. It's modular design. The motor is here on the top. It's a high flow motor, uses a lot less electricity than the standard vacuum cleaner motor, and also filters air very well, thanks in part to this filter here, as well as your big HEPA bag. This is a really, really good, they're calling it a HEPA flow bag, but it's just a good HEPA bag. Nice, real thick seal through here. And your plastic holder here, it also shuts off so the dirt doesn't flat hit you in the face when you go to change the bag. But it's just a real solidly built vacuum cleaner bag. It's not going to tear, it's not going to break or anything like that. As I said, it's a real simple design, just a plastic bucket here. And this just goes on to here, pops on. And then we take our other filter here and we just set this in. Just like that. Nice seal across here. And as I said, it's a simple design. It just kind of flows like this. But being that the suction's coming from the center here and the air is dissipating all around, you really get a full bag capability with the Henry. When it locks back into place, it just goes like that. And that's pretty much it. Hose is also crush proof. Pops in, pops back out just like that. And metal wands, kind of unique here because this wand will pop off, which allows you to get into corners and clean. And then even the hose pops off for close cleaning. The tool that comes with this model of the Henry is a flip brush that's really well built. Swivel neck, all metal on the bottom. And then it flips with the push of your foot here. Puts down the nylon bristles with air passages. It's got a great edge cleaner on it also. And it's just a good little vacuum cleaner. I'm going to turn it on here, and as I said, it's very, very quiet. Moves very easily. That's on low. I hit the button one time, it turns it on high. But you can hear, like, I can still vacuum through here and talk, and you can hear me fine. Got a lot of power to it. It's a really good feature. And then as you go to bare floor, put that back, that takes you onto the floor, and now you can get and clean the corners and everything like that. Lays flat. Come back onto the carpeting. Up the foot here. And you can go down, and then you can see it's actually lifting up the carpet. Has so much suction. It's a really good little vacuum cleaner. As I said, it moves very easily. You can move it around. Has the high-low speed because, you know, sometimes you don't want as much suction. As you can see how it agitates that carpeting without a roller brush. You can see how well it's cleaning just because it's built that well. But the vacuum cleaner moves very easily. You just move one direction, come back over here, and your little buddy follows you. Just a cool little vacuum cleaner. There's a certain psyche behind the Henry that, you know, it's a big, happy face. It makes it fun to vacuum. It's like your friend. You're not going to knock your friend around or anything like that. So it is really a weird psychological thing, but we don't see a lot of Henrys that have heavy use. And part of that is because of the face on there. Call it what you will. It's actually weird, but that's the way it is. Really cool when the cord needs to be rewind. Like I said, just wind that back up like that, and you're good to go vacuum. Lightweight, portable, very strong. Just a good little all-around vacuum cleaner that's great for bare floor, some area rugs, a little bit of water wall carpeting. There's not the agitation nozzle, so you might want to upgrade with a turbo brush. I actually recommend a bundle with a turbo cat from Essential Vacuum because that's going to give you a much more greater agitation. This with a turbo cat zoom will out-clean a lot better than half of the Hoover Eurekas on the market, as well as some other manufacturers, German and all, that have a power head, just because the TurboCat spins so fast based off the suction of this. So that's something that you might want to look into if you have a lot of water wall carpet or pets. But definitely try Henry today. I mean, this is really just a cool little vacuum cleaner. 888-468-2210, 888-468-2210. If you have any questions, give us a call. Info@govacuum.com. Chat with us live at govacuum.com, 7 days of the week.